Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So there's a new filter on TikTok, the crying filter, that a lot of people are using recently. And you might be wondering why you can't get that filter. And I'll go into the TikTok app. Then from the home page, I'll tap on the magnifying glass at the top right hand corner. And then I'll search for crying filter. You can see it's there in the search results. Once I search for crying filter, you can see all these videos here 13 hours ago using this specific filter, which is a pretty fun and cool filter to use. But usually what you would do is you would tap on a video using the filter, and then somewhere around here you would see a little link where you could click on to use the filter. As you can see, for me, I don't have that little button to push to use the filter, meaning that I don't have this specific filter and I'm unable to use it. The reason for this is you could be running a version of TikTok that doesn't have that filter just yet. So go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for TikTok. If you have an update available, make sure you update to the latest version. As you can see, I don't have an update. But the main reason why you won't have this filter just yet is because when TikTok rolls out new filters, they don't roll it out for every single account and every single country at the same time. So you may just have to wait a week, 2 weeks maybe, in order for them to roll it out to your account and your country. And typically this is what TikTok likes to do with their filters. They like to test them out first and then roll them out. So either update to the latest version or just keep on waiting for it to be rolled out so that you can use the filter. So you can actually view the videos using the filter, like and comment and share on them, but you're not able to use the filter. So those are the two main reasons why you're not able to get the filter. You can see there's some here that you could use, but these aren't the correct ones. These aren't the same. So you'll just have to wait it out for this one. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.